Below that, GPS. It works very good. It uses assisted GPS, which means it triangulates your position by triangulating your position using the network available. I'll skip to the GPS calculation. Here are the GPS reading. It took some seconds, but you can see the accuracy varies very much because I'm in a closed area and currently I'm stationary, and it shows that I'm going at or walking at 2.9 kilometers per hour. Navigation, you can set any coordinates and it can take you that, or you can even set coordinates that where I sit. For example, if I save this position, it will save these coordinates, and by using this I can navigate towards that. That's a trip meter. That's rather interesting. It works as a trip meter like on cars. It can tell you that how much distance you have covered, what's your average speed, what's your maximum speed. It's not accurate though, but it's quite fun software. You have Nokia Maps applied with it, which gives you about 3 months of free subscription to the Nokia Maps, but it doesn't work in my area, so it doesn't matter at all. Those are the landmarks. Those are the actually coordinates that you have saved using the GPS data. They are all found here. At least now, at this time, I don't have any data. That you have installation with which contains all the softwares that are currently installed on the mobile phone, especially the software that you install by a third party. And that's the application manager that lets you know that which software is installed or which installation file is available, and they're all installed here. That's the game, typical game. They provided one game with it, which is quite difficult, although not possible. I mean impossible. Multi-scanner. It scans two things. Either it can scan a person's visiting card, or it can scan text from any page, and both of them don't work perfectly. I mean, this works about 60 to 70%, and that doesn't work at all. I don't know why they put it in. The other things as usual, you can install anything in there. I have Google Maps here because they work in this area, and the Google Map works with the AGPS, which is very good. It triangulates your position really well. Now to the media stuff. Recorder, I've shown you that. Music player is well, it's same as the N series, but the sound quality isn't that good. I think it's even below average. It's not as good as a phone because it's a enterprise edition phone. They don't do that music type of thing. So let's exit. Music store, another copy of iTunes. You have camera there. I've shown you that. Radio works only with the headset. Podcasting, it can read the podcast that you have put in. Real Player works with nearly every format that Real Player supports, RM or anything else. I think MP4. Gallery, it houses everything that you have in your memory, and there is no separation between the memory card. It just tells you via a small icon that the following file is on the memory card. Those are some of the images that you have. Video clips, it supports MP4 and it supports FLV, which means you can download the YouTube files and directly put it on your mobile phone, and they'll work just fine. Currently there are just two videos here, and that's the tab. Or you can now the good thing about this is that you don't have to go back and select through other menu. You can just scroll through them apart from this music, because it is on a separate application. So you are here in the videos. You can go to sound, you can go to the stream link where you can download videos via streaming like YouTube, m.youtube.com. You have presentations that houses presentations. Those are the SWF files, and this show you the all-round files in just one folder or whatever in one location. Flash player works very good. You don't have to open it separately. 3D tones doesn't even make sense to me. I mean, they allow to change the sound a little bit, but no, it's a gimmick. It doesn't work. And shared online, I don't know what is that. I never used it. Tools are typical, as I shown you. Typical profiles. Now here's something that I missed. The modes. You have two modes, and which means you have two home screens and you can set them up any way you like. The screen that I have on is named by me, which is layer. That means I'm in a layer mode right now. You can set any home screen applications there, or the theme that works with that, or anything, and you can switch mode like I'm gonna do now. Now I'm in what I call my study mode. I have everything that I need for my studies. I have my WLAN, search for internet, active notes, dictionary, internet, and a quick access to go back to the layer mode, because study is not that, what do you say, entertaining or enjoyable. So I like to go into my layer mode. That's the contact button, but there's again done something very strange with it. You have to copy your contacts in then in order to see all them. If you want to see your sim contacts, you go to sim contacts and sim directory. Now you have numbers here, but there is some problem. You cannot send messages to those numbers that are in the sim, which is kind of ridiculous. I believe they offer that in the updated firmware version. Web is typical web browser like you find in Nokia 95 or any other series. Download is something that allows you to connect your mobile through internet through your PC, and you can download many free softwares, or even free softwares from the Nokia.com or many other. That's the help feature. It's really boring. It is something for the newbies. You can have tutorials for any application maybe, and in the end you have your operator menu here. If you don't have that, then you won't see this icon here. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you very much.